LucidLink, the cloud-native file streaming platform for instant, secure access to large files, has announced LucidLink Connect, a new solution that enables real-time access and streaming of data from existing data stores without migration. LucidLink Connect makes existing data instantly streamable while preserving native formats, existing workflows, and the architectures organizations already rely on. Within the platform, files stay in place and in their original format, so teams can continue to use their existing tools and workflows, while applications stream only the portions of a file they need, reducing bandwidth usage and lowering access costs. With Unified Data View, teams bring together data across AWS and other data stores in one consistent workspace experience, without silo hopping. LucidLink Connect is built with enterprise requirements in mind, including predictable governance and controlled access. Leverage LucidLink APIsto, it is possible to link data from existing data stores, automate setup, and orchestrate repeatable workflows.
At NAB Show 2026, DigitalGlue will launch Creative Space Intelligence (CSI), a first-of-its-kind managed creative operating system designed to solve the dual crisis of physics and cognition currently facing the professional video market. From physical perspective, video files are becoming too massive, while from cognitive point of view, production houses are drowning in dark data, unsearchable, untrackable footage. The solution lays in unifying the body and the brain. DigitalGlue solves this by unifying high-performance, on-premise hardware, the body, with the forensic AI engine, the brain, into a single ecosystem. At the center of this solution is a content-addressable identity system that categorizes media into core assets, the underlying DNA of the footage, and versions, proxies, high-res masters, web exports. Instead of fighting physics by pushing petabytes of video into a slow cloud, CSI brings the intelligence directly to the source.
Yamaha Corporation of America has appointed Seiichi Yamaguchi as a new president, succeeding current President Tom Sumner, effective April 1, 2026. Seiichi Yamaguchi is currently Managing Executive Officer and Executive General Manager of the Musical Instruments Business Unit of Yamaha Corporation. Since beginning his career at Yamaha in 1985, Yamaguchi has held numerous roles at the company, including Chairman and Managing Director of Yamaha Music and Electronics China, Managing Officer and General Manager of the Musical Instruments and Audio Sales Unit, and Managing Director of Yamaha Scandinavia. He also worked at Yamaha Corporation of America earlier in his career and established an early digital sheet music venture, Yamaha Music Interactive, in New York City. Cloud Microphones has released the compact Mini CL25. Created as a custom engineering collaboration with Neutrik, the Mini CL25 interfaces directly with dynamic, ribbon, and tube microphones to provide up to plus 25 decibel of clean gain. The unit is the smallest cloud lifter ever produced. Plugging directly into microphones, preamps, mixers, stage boxes, and wall panels, the Mini CL25 is built utilizing a custom Neutrik gold-plated XLR connector system. Employing hard-soldered, wire-free internal circuitry, the unit adds transparent gain before a preamp, using standard phantom power that isn't passed along to the microphone. Along with cleaner gain, the unit lets users operate with lower preamp gain settings to better preserve detail, resulting in less preamp coloration and artifacts, along with increased headroom.
NAB Show is the world's largest media event, showcasing next-generation technology, shaping the future of storytelling.
If you work in the creator, media, entertainment industry, this is the spot where you gotta be.
I feel like I get better at my craft just being here.
You are so interactive, you get to be hands-on.
Broadcasters, content creators, and tech innovators are reshaping what's possible.
It's all under one roof.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.